What up, YouTube? It's your boy Malacio, man. Wiz Constrictors in the building again. Real quick video, as usual. It's been a minute, so, decided to come on and update y'all, see what's been going on. Got the snake room rearranged a little bit, man. Did some things in here to try to boost humidity and all that, since wintertime coming and it's starting to get a little dry around this joint. So did a few things to the snake room, man. So I'll show y'all that real quick. I want to update y'all on a few pickups, a couple holdbacks that y'all ain't seen in a little bit. I'll let y'all know what we've been up to, man. But before we do all that, y'all know what time it is. Hit that intro. All right, so stickers over here. If your stickers ain't up, it's because like I said, I just rearranged. They will be up there. I got my Tegu down here, but information. Stock tank ready. I'm gonna move this outside. Video on that coming soon. Tortoises over there doing their thing, getting that UVB. The hatchling rack over here. Couple hatchlings left. Water bottle, spray bottle. He is high right now, as usual. But that's his cage. Fox snake Sony right here. I tried to do a little bioactive thing, but she's super destructive, bro. Like, I'm gonna redo her cage and try to figure out how to make things more secure, because she's a destructive little thing. Empty for now. I was gonna put some hog noses or something in there, but I got two instead, so put them in this split tank right here. Shout out to the homeboy Kurt. If you ain't following him, man, go give Kurt Wood 75 a follow on YouTube. You're trying to get to that 4K watch time. But it's a cool little tank, man. It's like split, you know what I'm saying, down the middle. So I got a little hog nose over there, and then a little hog nose back over here in the cut. And there she go, back over there. So I got two females growing up. I'm gonna pick up a nice gene pack male and see if I could get some hog noses going. TV, gotta have a TV. Adult males over here, a couple females. Adult females, all breeders and proven breeders. Little grow out rack over here. But man, it was so dry down here, man. So I had to get a good humidifier, man, to get some air going in, or some humidity popping in here, and it's a lot better now. So I got a couple holdbacks I want to show y'all, so let's get into that real quick. Okay, first up, we got this beautiful Mojave possible black pastel from the homeboy Kurtwood. Picked this girl up. She was having a little trouble eating at first, but she's starting to get up there now. She's beautiful though, man. Like, let me move the light. There we go. Like, the colors, insane. She's super dark. On to the next. All right, I'm gonna keep this one real brief because she going in the shed and she ain't happy about it, and she don't look her best. But this is a female black pastel that the homeboy Kurtwood also produced, and you can see she is insane. I wish she wasn't in shed because the oranges on this girl is crazy. But super busy, man. Definitely getting this into the clown, to the DG, and into the hypo. So female black pastel. All right, and right here, if you follow me on Instagram, you just saw this girl this morning because she had a nice shed a day or two ago. But hypo, G stripe. The outline around the stripe is like purple. Then there's this weird orange or yellow line that comes underneath it. She's pretty cool. You can see where the flaming comes up, where the alien heads used to be. Solid stripe all the way down, not broken up at all. Solid head stripe, or head stamp, no head stamp at all, just like solid up there. So I'm gonna put that directly into the clown project. The way she eating, she'll probably be ready to go next year. So hypo G-stripe clowns is the goal in that endeavor right there. Hypo clowns is dope. Look at the purples. And that's indicative of the hypo gene. So that was another Tinley pickup. I think this is my only Tinley pickup. Double recessive, G-stripe, and hypo, or ghost. Pretty cool little girl. I'm gonna grow up. Yeet. All right, and we're gonna end it off with this one right here. Even with the Kryptons that I made this year, I think this might be the most beautiful snake that I produced. So this is a leopard, butter, fire, or what they call a nuclear leopard. Dad of this clutch came from Travis from South Sound Snakes. Big shout out to him. And the mom came from Garrick DeMeyer. Y'all know him, Royal Constrictor Design. If you ain't following either one of them, make sure you go give them a follow. And if you ain't following them, what are you doing with your life? See, she got like a full unbroken stripe going down. Like fully unbroken all the way to the tail. To me, this is the best production that I personally made. And she is beautiful, man, gorgeous. And the color, like I said, y'all know how it goes. The color on camera does no justice. She like purple, like this creamy, buttery yellow. Alright, and before we end this thing, man, y'all don't forget 500 subscriber giveaway. Here she is right here. Inchy Mojave female. I have no idea what she weighs. Hold on. Alright, there we go. Stay. The magic number is 1289. 1,300 gram female. Inchy Mojave. 500 sub giveaway, man. So if you ain't subbed, go do that, and she could be yours. Yeah, man. So that's about it. Y'all know what time it is. Don't forget to do all the things: like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Keep y'all updated on the next video, man. Next time, y'all be easy.